Hi guys, I just bought off eBay the Samsung Q series soundbar rising stand. I bought like the 50mm. I wish I could have got like the 125mm. Couldn't get it home, man. I've been looking for something like this for ages for my soundbar. These are like the model numbers. Q990C, the Q990D, but the B, this one, the B, is not listed. I've tried it out, it's okay, man. They claim it's got like, gives like the soundbar better airflow and better sound. We'll see how, man, when I watch like a movie, a Dolby Atmos movie. Let's check these out. Only cheap. It's like plastic. I think this is wood and all. It's quite strong, man. It's ideal for Samsung soundbars. Because I had mine too low down. I wanted to raise it a bit higher. Because you're supposed to have like a Dolby Atmos soundbar chest height. So the Atmos works properly when it bounces off the ceiling. It's alright though, man. I'll have to do like another video. I'm back on this Samsung soundbar. The Philips AV system, don't misunderstand me, that's still a good system. But once you've witnessed 11.1.4 channels, like, you miss it. So I'm gonna use this one in this room. And I keep like my Philips AV system in the other room. But I'm quite happy with these, because I was gonna buy a TV monitor to like raise my soundbar. But I think this looks a bit better. Cool, man. Happy days. Finally solved it. Because I've been looking for something like this for ages, man. Cheers.